Hey guys, welcome back. This is part 3 of my 5 part no, it's part 4 of my 5-part series on how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Today's goal, this video's goal is to solve the middle layer. As you see, this is our display cube and it has already solved the middle layer. On our actual cube, no, it's not quite solved. This will be going through how to solve it. But if you haven't watched part 3, part 2 or part 1, I recommend you go ahead and watch that to understand this video. This is the second time I'm making this video, so I'm a bit cranky. Please ignore it because I forgot to on my audio recording last time. But now I'm on and I'm going to do it. Okay, what we're going to do first is look at the edges on the top layer, on the yellow center layer. There are 3 that do not have a yellow color on them, right? This one has it, but this has red, green. This has orange and blue, and this has blue and red. Now we're going to choose one. Okay, let's just choose this blue and red edge, okay? And now we're going to look at what color is facing directly towards us. It's red, right? So we're going to look at that color, and we're going to look at where the center of that color is. Center that has the same color. Its red center is here, and the red edge is here. So we're going to rotate it so that they align like that, okay? I can see there's a T shape there. You're not going to care about these two, but or these two. There's a T shape there that you can recognize it with. Now what we do is we look at which way it has to go in. It has to go in this way. So first we rotate it the other way, which is in this case it's U. Now there can be two formulas, two algorithms for this. If it has to go in here or it has to go in here. They're both extremely similar, but I'll be going through them separately. First we'll do the left-handed one. In the left-handed one we do U prime, L prime, U, L, U, front, F, U prime, F prime. As you can see, we slotted it in. If you don't understand the algorithm, make sure to just watch my hand movements because they're quite accurate as well. Let me just focus that. God, my focus. Okay, there we go. My focus. Yeah. So next edge is going to be this. Let's just do this one, okay? Because it would go to our pair. It's the orange and blue center. Sorry, the orange and blue edge. The edge facing, the color facing towards us is the orange edge, right? So we look for the orange center. It's right here. So rotate it so they line up in a T shape. Now this one doesn't have to go. Now the top color isn't the same as this, right? The blue has to go here, not here. This is green. So since it has to go here, we're doing the right-handed algorithm now. So it's going to be U, R, U prime, R prime, U, front inverted or F prime, U, front. That's it. We've done the 2 edges. That is a momentous achievement. Give yourself a pat on the back. Now let's do the last 2 edges first. Now this is the red and green edge, and it's the only other one that is on the yellow layer. So let's just see it's here. This is the green. So if we face the edge, this is the green and it's facing towards us. So when you find the green center, this is the green center. So we need to move it so it makes a T shape. Now we look at the upper color. It's red. This is the red center. So we know we had to do the left-handed algorithm instead of the right-handed algorithm. So now we do move it outwards. So we do U prime, L prime, U, L, U, front, U, F prime. If you don't understand any of this, you can slow this video down or you can rewatch it. Don't worry, this is YouTube. I'm not a real life tutor. Now the last edge is an orange and green edge. So now we're going to look at this edge facing towards it and green is facing towards us. So you find the green center. This is the green center. We rotate it so that it makes a T shape. We are going to ignore that. And now we're going to do the right-hand algorithm because that's the only edge left. And that's orange. Orange center, orange color. So U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, front. And that's it. We're done with the last first two layers. It seems that we got a PLL OLL skip. You guys don't know what that is, and we finished the yellow layer as well. But first, we're going to discuss a couple of special cases. In this case, there are no these two are not in the correct spot because as you can see, this is orange. That's not how this thing looks. Although this does look about right. If you look here, no, it's orange there. It should be red here. And then here, it's red, but it should be orange. So what we're going to do, for this case, we're going to first do the same algorithm, either left or right. It really doesn't matter. I'm just going to do right here. So U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, R prime. And that brings out one of the edges. As you can see, this is the right red and green edge. So you find the red, we see that red spacing towards us, find the red center, T shape, and now since it's green there, and green is here, it's the right-handed algorithm, so U, R, U, sorry, God, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F prime, sorry, F. And now we've also pulled out the last edge piece, which is the orange and green edge piece. Now we're going to see that green is facing towards us, the green center is here, T shape again, we're going to ignore that. And then since that's the yellow edge, we're going to do, since this is the right-handed version again because of the orange here and the orange center there, we're just going to do that U, R, U, R prime, U prime, wait no, I'm sorry, I'm an idiot. Anyway, R, U, R prime, oh no, it's R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. And that's it. We've done the first two layers. This is the momentous achievement. You should give yourself a great pat on the back for this. We're almost done with the cube. Only one more episode to go and you're nearly done with the cube. I'll meet you then. Okay, bye.